Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. Let's check this sucker out. Cool. So there's a place down in Seattle, and it's called Time Warp. Look it up. It's a bar, and they serve as something to eat. They have instant noodles there. Not only that, they've got arcade games, and I'm gonna go visit there later this month. I'm super stoked. But they asked me what are good varieties of instant noodles, what are neat toppings that we can throw in the mix and things like that. And I was looking for stuff, and I came across this company called Kari Kari, which is down in Seattle, and they're making a special chili crisp, and it's like super local. And I reached out to them and I asked them, hey, can you send me some? I'd love to try it, promote you. That'd be cool. And I asked them, I think a day ago, and it's here. Interesting. I guess I could grab a spoon and try it, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pause it here basically, and I will do a review of this stuff. So here is the Kari Kari stuff, and we're going to give it a try. I'm gonna add it in. I'm gonna use a special spoon as well here in the Utility Muffin Research Kitchen. Now it mentions on the jar that you need to stir it from the bottom. So that is exactly what I portend to do. I've got my magical spoon that was sent to me from England by the Reverend Dick Gazinia. How's it going, man? So I'm putting it down. Oh yeah, there's like tons of love sludge at the bottom. So we're giving it a nice stir. Wow, look at that. Oh, that sounds good. It looks good. Give it a decent amount of that to try out. So let's give this a try. I'm like really curious about it. I've been a fan of Laogan Ma since I first tried it. This looks to be a horse of a different color. Here's how it looks. Cheers. It's crispy. And it's definitely got the gumminess of it's hard to explain. A little gumminess from the garlic. I would portend to say that, yeah, it's definitely got a freshness than the Laogan Ma, which is like really massively produced. This definitely has a little bit more of a mellowness to it. I can say I recommend that. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.